Hello, Scott from Wessmuk Blades. Finally got to the completion of this one for Brian. Now Brian had a griffin which had a sort of stencil griffin head, which was like an eagle head on it. So what I thought I'd do is I'd put an outdoor animal on it, and so I've done a cougar mountain lion in the same sort of tribal sort of effect. So there's that. We've got my double row lock stitch, and I put some texturing down the side in there just to make it stand out. Got twin belt loops at the back because he's got two shoulder straps for a griffin, and I think it's a go lock. So now he could use the shoulder straps to clip onto that, or use it on a belt loop. Did this in a sort of burgundy colour because the London plain scales have a red and a black liner. I doubled it up just to give it a little bit more class. So red and black liner, just to sort of go with the sheath colour, and it's a Wessmuk. So a mirror-ish polish on the bevel, and a satinish finish on the blade. Thumb ramp at the top like that, a bit smoother at the bottom just to allow the hint of it widening out, so you know when your finger's going to get to the end of the handle, and then you got an indexing on the thumb, you know where it's going to be stopping there for that ramp. Tube pins, and the say the London plain was not just the plain, but it had these beautiful black markings again. So that's why I added that black liner, just to give the whole theme just comes across all the way through. Sort of woodish colour, black and red. Sort of black and red. Yeah, I think it goes together quite well. As for sharp, I've had some fun with this. Sorry, I've used it, Brian, but it just on. Oh. I tell you what, for a big ass knife, that's a beautiful feel. So, I've messaged you, Brian. If you could just email me back, we can catch up whenever. That's done for you. I like that. Double welt. Like it. Moving forward with something for Ralph and something for Lewis. Sorry it takes so long, but it comes like this. I'm going for. Scott Wessmuk Blades out. Thanks for joining me again. I'll see you on the next one.